Man, I'm not the only one complaining about these white prompts on a DJI. And this person, man, he's complaining on an OP3 that it blocks half the screen that he can't see. So, let me tell you a little story. But before I get going, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. Hello, fellow Google Plus followers and YouTube people. It's showtime! Don't go like that. Hello, YouTube and Google Plus followers. It's more like that. Did you hear that car go by? Oh, yeah. I found a site. I put in my Best Buy card, and it told me how many, money I got, moolah. And then I did the next step. I put in my email address. I put in a credit card, like I was going to purchase. Oh, then I had to put a phone number in. I get a phone call, and I put the card in, and I'm good to go. In one business day, I'll get my money in Amazon rewards. But it comes with the price. You have to give them something to get something. And it all depends on how much, money you have in the Best Buy to get the Amazon gift card. So the percentage depends on the price. All right, it wasn't that bad. They took some money out. And a day goes by. I don't hear anything. I get a email, customer service. Oh, please, you have to show us some proof of purchase. All right. I said to myself, hey, Fish, take another look at Best Buy again because you looked at it this morning or last night. So I open up Best Buy and I have my saved of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Something just didn't look right? So I opened it up. And when I opened it up, I noticed something different. It was available. Oh man, what do I do now? I go back to the place I put the card on. I did one of these. Boom, canceled. And I sent another mail back to them. Remove me off of your list. So now, Best Buy got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. But the availability is a little different. It's not the next day or the day after or a few days. It's a couple of weeks. Whatever. At least they got it in. But now I'm having second thoughts. Should I have gotten the Creators Combo Kit? The extended battery? The lens? The case? The bag? Do I need all of that? The lens, the actual head, closes into the body, and you can't keep that on, and it gives you a wider perspective. Well, I'm used to the Osmo Action 4. I'm used to the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. I'm used to the Sony ZV-1 Mark F that I got. And I don't need something as wide anymore. But I do want to show you something here. I want to turn the camera around and I want to point. Look, I want to capture the squirrel for you. And everybody who shows like this distance, they show a lot of things real close up with the OP3. I can't get that with the OA4 at all. If I need to have a battery, I could put a power bank to it. Hold it in my pocket, have a little wire, but it won't be the same connection. But if I wanted the actual, bottom piece, I'll buy one. And if I need a lens, somebody out there's got one. And it's not all about the accessories. It's just about having the camera. So I could do this and walk around, But once I get off a frame of this, you don't see me anymore. But I could do editing. I could walk around in my editor and you could follow me. I could put things to follow me, but I can't get the actual video to follow. Sure I can. I could crop it in, and then I could move the whole me in the video around. But I don't think we have software to do that, to move you around in the whole video. We sure do. I just don't know how to do it. Anyway, I tell you, I'm going to be happy with it for the things I want to use it for. If I don't use it, so be it. Maybe I'll dump it and get rid of it. But I also watch videos online. I'm not the only one that complains. We all complain in every little way. It's life. We share our thoughts out loud. And if something that you don't like, you say it out loud and you tell the people. Improvements are made from them. Well, let's not say complaints. Let's say better needs, improve of the product, things like that. Oh, I'm not a man of words or fancy words, but you get the idea. Oh, I'm very happy with my Osmo Action 4. And the OP standalone I'm getting, the OP3 standalone, I'm going to get a DJI M2 again. I just didn't want to keep the receiver and a transmitter. And that transmitter is going to be dedicated to these two cameras. But I also got a good receiver right here. It's on the camera. It lights up. And I got this over here. Does a mighty fine job. Connected. Oh yeah, I'm happy with it. Definitely happy with it. So you can see I'm using it more and more. I had it with me. I didn't know. I didn't realize that it was this good. Did you see my video? The updated elliptical pedal machine? And yeah, man, that machine is running strong. Great job. And yeah, exercise. So I'd taken my trainer upstairs and I could have ride it today. I think I'm going to set it up. I think I got some footage of me going out on here. And I went out for a ride, went in the mosh, came on out. I had a good time. It wasn't with the mic, it was just having a good time on the bike. I want to try to get more bike riding in, but it's still a little too cold. That's why I walk a little. You see this picture? That's not my porch. That's my package. You think people would bring a package to you? No, they kept it and they ate it. And company says, oh, we delivered the package. And hey, did you see where you delivered it to? Well, people today, they don't return things. There's maybe one person, two people, three on my block that may give me my package in hand, then just take it and keep it. It is what it is, man. What are you gonna do? We get stuff, we go all the way to deliver it. I got a check of 5,000 plus. And I told the person, oh, please mark your number a little bit better because I got your check and I'm going to hand deliver it to the person. It's not the first time this happened. Imagine if I wasn't that nice person and I just taken the check and try to go cash it. What would you do? Oh man, I told him very nicely and we never had a mistake thereafter. Oh, you know those companies that would get Fox P? Oh yeah, mark it down in an unmarked box. And when you grab it in to open it up, oh man, your house will be stinking for sure. That's what some people would do. Go to those certain extents when things like that happen. Remember the days of Halloween? You take a paper brown bag and your dog poop and just light it on fire. And you come on out and you start to stamp it. You don't want that to happen. I'm going back years, man. Plastic straws and little boxes of sweet peas, man. Go to the store to go buy it for a nickel or a dime. And you go have fun, making believe you have a little, blow dot. How about stink bombs on the ice cream trucks, the smoke bombs, man? Oh yeah, those are the days I remember. And on that note, I'm out of here. I said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, talked a lot, and told you some stories. I hope you all have a great day. Have a great one indeed. I'm Fish, and I'm out of here.